Erzberg is just around the corner, so it's the last preparation of the bike. We go to check everything, every single bolt, and we need to change the tires to be ready, do the suspension, the setup for the prologue. Let's do it for practice and then for the prologue and then for the main race. But yeah, we need to change the stickers and most of the plastics, everything to put the bike as new one. I don't really want to change a lot of parts of the bike because it's Friday, Saturday and then the race on Sunday. So more than nothing, I need to feel comfy on the bike and comfy with myself, be ready mentally and be ready for the tough day we have. ¿Qué necesitamos?
Pues ahora aquí habría que cambiar la cadena, el piñón, una palanca de cambios por si acaso, los puños y las manetas también.
Vale, y el escape, ¿no? Porque está todo abollado.
Sí.
Well, we've been speaking what to do on the bike, what we need to ask for. So I go to call 24MX and they will send me the things I need. Hello, Anne. Hello, how are you? I'm good. Now just getting ready the bike. We need some levers, we need one sprocket, 13 and another 12. And yeah, also we can change the exhaust and the pipe. And yeah, you know, the bike is destroyed, so we need to rebuild it. But yeah, thank you, bye. So that's the last moment to Erzberg. Wow, has been a long way and hard. But I feel good. Let's prepare the last days. The bike is ready. We were training with it, hardest part and also faster. And yeah, now it's just be healthy, have good food on the body, mentally. We work watching the race from other years and also prepare the mind to be ready for a very hard day. And the previous days there also enjoy every moment, of course. And yeah, that's it. Let's do it. It's difficult to say how long you can arrive on Erzberg. To be honest, I just want to be better. Since last year I've been training a lot, so I just want to be better than last year. On the prologue, my best result has been second row, so second row is good. I will try, of course, to be in first row. And on the main event, I arrived to Carl's Diner, so now let's pass Carl's Diner and let's try to arrive to the finish line. Of course, that's a really goal. Let's be honest. Never a girl finished the race. It's super difficult. Start the race 1,000 people, 2,000 people, depend of the year, and only 20 riders finish. So yeah, I'm a girl. I will try it. Give up is the last option, but being realist, improve the last year is just a good result. So yeah, I will try. Let's do it. Yeah. Mentally, I think I arrived in a good point. I've been throwing all the bad things in the last days. It's super hard. Also, be a woman in this motorsport world with all the men and trying to find your place. It's not easy. I've been working a lot. The races I did and I finished, that's great for me. But also not being on the podium when I know and I have trophies that says I'm the best of the world in women's, no? But I compete with the men in men's class, and it's difficult to keep the motivation on the top. Not being on these podiums and being 30 of the world, 40 of the world, fighting with the men and seeing how they improve and yeah, I improve, but I think I improve slower physically. So I try to be mentally better than them, and yeah, try to find my place. But it's hard, but I enjoy it. My last years has been like this. I did crazy races that I never thought I could do it, and Erzberg, I think, is one of these races that I can finish. And yeah, you probably think I'm crazy, but yeah, I am. Why not?